on that short trade. The next short trade was off the high there. We went from 36.60s down to 34.2s. The high print here for the short gold didn't really do much, but it just carried on into the same next trade here. So it was the same trade, never got stopped out. And then we went 38.5s down to 33.5s, $500 on that short trade. The next one actually spiked up a little bit, so you had to be in good form to make sure you didn't get stopped out on that one. But it was about a 12-tick spike. But you can see that that 12-tick spike, that was the biggest sell trade of the day, and then Max sold into the high print here. We got a nice response, and then Max sold this one here. And we've had a very, very nice response again to that short trade. So you can see it's all winners. Every single trade's been a winner depending upon how much of a stop you use. But this one would have been 37.7s or thereabouts up to 39.4. So that's probably a losing trade. If you're using, for example, maybe a 10-tick stop on these and a 10-tick target, that would have been a losing trade. But every other trade so far has been profitable, so that would have been 1, 2, 3, because this ended up as one trade, 3, 4, 5 winning trades, one loser so far on Max Gold, 5 winners, 1 loser so far. So that's the equivalent of a $400 profit for anybody that's on the bold boy here, the bold Max. If you're looking at the S&P, remember we target 4-tick profits on the S&P. I'll show you there was a gap between the trade a while ago and then the current trades, and then we had a spurry of trades kicking off, huge number of trades kicking off in these areas here. So you can see the first trade was a buy trade on Max S&P here. And you can see we went beautifully to the upside. The next trade was a sell here. We went beautifully to the downside. We never quite made the 4 ticks, but we then made the 4 ticks down into the buy trade here, which was down into the low price here. And again, we made the 4 ticks, and then the sell trade into the high price here. And again, we made the 4 ticks. And then a buy trade into the low price here. And again, we made the 4 ticks. And they're all $50 winners. So you can see that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 $50 winners since 12.43. So that's $250 of profits in your bank account on those little trades there. So that's pretty good.